Hello and welcome to the channel Crypto Enthusiasts. In today's video, you're going to learn exactly how to restore or recover your Tonkeeper wallet. If your phone got lost or for some reason you don't have this Tonkeeper wallet on your phone anymore and you have assets in this Tonkeeper wallet but don't know how to go about it or simply worried, then this video is for you because you're going to learn exactly how to do that. All right, so without further ado, let's hop straight into this. Right, so the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. That is, if you're using an Android device. If you're using an Apple device, you can go to App Store and head over to the search bar and search for Tonkeeper wallet. Now download that. I believe by the time you're watching this video, you already have Tonkeeper wallet on your device. Now once you download Tonkeeper wallet and open the app, you're going to see this very message that says Tonkeeper, create a new wallet or add an existing wallet. We are not creating a new wallet but importing an existing wallet, so we're going to go ahead and click on import existing wallet. Now this is where a lot of people get confused, right? You're not meant to select any other option except existing wallet. Okay, we're going to click on existing wallet. Now before you do this, make sure you have your passphrase down, all right, because your passphrase is what you're going to be using to unlock this or recover your wallet. Okay, now you're going to see a number that is numbered from 1 to 12, right? So this text field is numbered from 1 to 12. So what you're going to do is to enter your passphrase exactly as it was given to you before in an orderly manner. All right, you're going to enter it from 1 to 12, and by the time you are done doing that, we'll go ahead and click on confirm, or simply copy and paste but in an orderly manner. All right, so I'm just going to do this right now and then come back to this very video. So as you can see right now, I'm done imputing my passphrase. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on continue. Now this is going to lead us to the next page, which is going to ask us to choose the wallet we want to import. If you have multiple wallets, I created a W5 wallet inside my main wallet. Okay, a W5 wallet inside your main wallet will have the same passphrase with your main wallet, but if you don't have the W5 wallet in your main wallet, then you don't have to worry because you're just going to be seeing just one option. All right, but if you have the W5 wallet, make sure that you don't untick this, but if you want to untick it, fine, but make sure you import your main wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on continue and then enter my passcode. All right, your passcode is also another important thing you need to keep safe. All right, during the wallet creation process, you must have been given a code or you must have been asked to enter a pin. All right, so this is your passcode. Next, we're going to be asked to enable notifications. So I'm just going to enable notifications so that when we receive an asset on this very wallet, we would know. Right now this wallet is in W5. In case you see this, you don't need to panic, you don't need to be afraid. All you just have to do is to click on that wallet icon at the top of your screen and then switch back to the wallet without the W5 mark and you would see all your assets. Okay, it is that simple. By clicking on that wallet icon, you would see the wallet you have and you just have to switch back to your main wallet and you're good to go. Okay, and once you switch to your main wallet, you want to change this back to whatever you named it. So to change it back, I'm just going to click on that settings icon at the top right hand corner of my screen. Once I click on that, I'm going to click on this very text that says customize just below the wallet name, and this will lead us to the customization page. Now this is where you rename your wallet. I'm just going to go ahead right now and type in wallet 2 not coin and then hit save, and by doing this you're all set and good to go. Okay, so this is the entire process of restoring your Tonkeeper wallet or recovering your wallet. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any question at all, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. If you haven't yet subscribed, do that right now and turn on notification for future updates. If you even want to stay updated about recent happening in the crypto space, then join my Telegram, Facebook and WhatsApp community. You'll find links in the description. I will see you in my next video guys. Take care and goodbye.